Tom here at Sharpening Supplies, and we have a new knife that I'm going to test the sharpness of, and then I'm going to see if I can improve that sharpness by stropping it for just 1 minute. Here we have the Dexter Sanisafe 10-inch butcher's knife. This is going to be fresh out the packaging. Quite pleased I managed that without cutting myself. So here is the Dexter 10-inch Sanisafe butcher's knife. I'm going to use the edge on up to see just how sharp it is. So we're going to start with the heel of the knife. $252 grams. Now we're going to do the middle of the knife. $429 grams. And now the tip of the knife. $345 grams. So that gives us an average score of 342 grams. That's going to be close to the top end of what you would expect for a high-end new piece of cutlery. It could do with a little bit to touch up the edge, but that score is perfectly good for use in the kitchen. Now I'm going to spend just 1 minute stropping it and see if we can improve that score. Right, let's see what 1 minute of stropping has done. So we're going to start with the heel of the knife. $182 grams. Now the middle of the knife. $369 grams. Now the tip of the knife. $241 grams. So that gives us an average of 264 grams. That's quite an improvement from 342. Now a really nice and sharp butcher's knife ready for use. If there are any other knives or tools you'd like to see us test the sharpness of, let us know in the comments. If you enjoy these kind of videos, then subscribe for more.